Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are introducing our new family member. Would you like to say his name, Nina?
Pip.
Yes, this is Pip. He's joined us recently, about 2.5 weeks ago, and he's very excited to get down from his cage. Would you like to go up and get him, Nina?
Yes, he's a bird.
So the actual type of bird that Pip is, what's the bird? What's the type of bird? He is a... Would you like to tell everyone, Nina? Pip is a... He actually gets very naughty when he goes onto our shoulders because he likes snipping our earrings and pulling on our hair. So we're quite careful.
He's a bird.
Not to...
Cockatiel.
Yes, he's a cockatiel. In fact, oops, that's all right. Come on.
Aww.
So Pip is very excited because he's been sitting on his cage for quite a while. We decided to let him rest because we wanted to shoot his video. He's a very energetic bird. Yet he's very hard-headed as well. You would be surprised how much character these little creatures have. I'm going to take him just a little bit, Nina. Up, Pip, up you go. So, Pip, we don't know if he's a boy or a girl yet, actually, because he's only a few weeks old. And with cockatiels, and it might be the same with other birds for all I know, I'm not a bird expert, you get to know if they're males or females when they are about 6 months old. So Pip is a white-faced cockatiel, and the way that we will know if he's a male or a female is because if he gets more white on his cheeks, then he's a male, and if he doesn't, it will be a female. We refer to him as a he, and we think he's a boy, but for all we know, it could be a girl. Males normally are a little bit louder and a bit more energetic and a little bit more naughty as well than females. Pip isn't loud so far, but of course he's still a baby. So Nina, just quite slowly please, okay? Be careful. So Pip isn't noisy for now, but he is still young as well. He just started being vocal a few days after he came to our house, and he fits right in with the family. Fail. Nina, let's put him back on his cage.
No.
Let's talk a little bit about Pip's cage, shall we?
No.
I think he wants to go in.
No.
Okay. So Nina, show everyone what you do so Pip goes up by himself.
Pip.
Pip. Slowly, boy.
Slowly.
It's okay. It's okay.
Come on, go, go,
Good
go.
boy.
Go, Pip, go, go, go. Come on, Pip. Yay!
Pip has a large cage, as you can see, and the first thing that we do in the morning is uncover him. I'll tell you about his night routine as well. And we open up this part of the cage. It's open all day because he likes to sit up here. The only reason he comes inside is to eat and to drink, and not even to play, because we bought him a lot of toys, but the only toy that he uses is something really simple, which we just gave him ourselves. He likes to play with straws.
And his favorite color is yellow.
Yes, indeed, we discovered that his favorite color is yellow, because if you give him like a pink straw and the yellow straw, he always goes for the yellow straw.
He likes to play with straws, but actually he play with this, but not a lot. But he play a lot with straws too. But one time play with this too.
He gets a bit overwhelmed when toys are a little bit large. And Nina mentioned that he likes to play with this. That is a calcium perch, and he sits on it and he just like plays around with it, bites it. And has a good old time over there. So at night time, when it starts getting dark and when Nina starts her bedtime routine, we put Pip in his cage. Reluctantly, he doesn't like to go in his cage, so we usually kind of try and trick him, don't we, Nina?
Let's show you.
And then, no, let's not put him in his cage because he will be unhappy. Would you like to say what song we sing to Pip to calm him down, to put him to sleep? What do you sing?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, the world so tight, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
So as you can see, the bird is very, very cuddly. Cockatiels are extremely sweet creatures. Oh no, look at that hair. And the feathers that stand up on top of his head actually indicate if he's happy, if he's sad, if he's angry, right? Yeah, you should stroke his head. He's very attentive, he's curious. So let's give Nina some time to you should tell him, Nina. Pip doesn't like it when you just touch him, you have to do it very slowly, and we also like to tell him why we're going to touch him. So we say, like, if we're going to stroke him, we say it's easy. If we want to pick him up, we will say up before our hands reach him. We're learning quite a lot about this bird. They are very intelligent creatures, and also they're great with kids, but they are animals nonetheless, so they need training. And of course, we do not leave Pip and Nina together without being in the same room and keeping an eye on them properly. Look, you see, he's put his head down. Nina, I'm going to bring the camera. No, Pip, no biting. Let's see if he puts his head down again. You see? He loves that. How cute. How cute. So after Nina sings Twinkle Twinkle to Pip, and it's time to go to sleep, and then we cover him and we leave him to sleep. When we got Pip from the breeders, we got him in this tiny box, and now we keep it to store Pip's daily supplies and the stuff that he uses on a daily basis. So Nina, would you like to show what's inside the box? What do you mean? Oh, his treats, yes. So Pip loves nibbling on rice cakes, so Nina sometimes tempts him with a rice cake to get him out of his cage, because as I said, he's very hard-headed. So
Let me show you.
There's no way he will come down. We'll try and we'll see. Shall we see if he wants to come down?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's make up some a treat.
He's actually washing himself, and when he's preening himself, or when he's eating, or when he's sleepy, you should never try and bring him out of his cage, because he won't want to come. But once he's done with all these things, and once he's had a rest, he actually loves being on our hands. We used to put him on our shoulders, but as I said, he really tends to get naughty when he does. So until he learns how to be a good boy when he's on our shoulders, he's sticking to our hands for now. Cockatiels are really friendly and interactive pets, so they come from the parrot family, and they are as intelligent as parrots. However, they are less wild when tamed, and also they are easier to take care of as well. So we decided to go for a cockatiel, and we couldn't be happier that we chose Pip. Pip is very sweet, although very hard-headed, but also having a 5-year-old daughter and a bird is a bit challenging at times, because of course she wants to hold him all the time and he doesn't want to be held all the time. That said, cockatiels need a lot of attention, so that's anywhere between 1 and 2 hours of time out of their cage and playing with you and on your hands, which isn't really a problem for us because I work from home, and of course Nina wants to spend a lot of time with him as well, so we could very much bring that pet into our home, which needed so much attention. Cockatiels also need a lot of sleep, so that's between about 10 to 12 hours every day, so his routine is very much wake up, play, rest, eat. And the very funny and sweet thing is that cockatiels usually start eating at the same time that you do, which means that we have breakfast together. Yes, he's having it in his cage still, but as soon as he sees that we're eating, he starts eating himself. And he's also snacking at random times throughout the day. Well, that's us as well, we snack a lot. So in the morning, as soon as it's about 7 a.m., I start putting up the blinds and I uncover Pip's cage, and he starts to eat, and I open his cage and he's out of his cage, and usually we get a playtime session in the morning, and this is what we usually use. This was supposed to be something that you hang on the cage, but Pip doesn't use it, so we lie it flat somewhere, and he's getting his exercise over here, and we're playing with him, he's on our hands, we're cuddling him, and give him some treats, and then he kind of goes back into his cage and comes in and out at various times of the day.
He is super scary.
Hey, Pip. Hey. gets very frazzled if we are a little bit rough or if someone's shouting. So I'm teaching Nina to be very calm with him. But when you're calm, or when you whistle to him, he is such a good little birdie, right? Okay. Come, Pip, let's say goodbye. Let's say goodbye.
Bye.
We're hoping to teach him how to talk a little bit as well. So, Pip. Slowly, slowly. Come, just... Nina, you're coming too close.
Okay.
They cannot see him, so it's somewhere about here.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
So thank you. I hope you enjoyed meeting Pip.
Now let's play with Pip.
If you have any questions about Pip, please send them over. Thank you. And if you like this video, give us
a thumbs up.
and don't forget
To subscribe. Bye guys.